Do you journal all your traits? Are you self-disciplined? Are you able to describe how you felt when you took that trait? And why is that so important when it comes to trading? You may have tried to journal, but you weren't able to stick with it for a really long time. Well, if you want to become and stay a profitable trader, you must discipline yourself, break your bad habits and develop good ones, such as journaling. If you aren't sure how to journal and why you should actually do that, then this video is just for you. Hello there guys and welcome back to FTMO. My name is Nelly and I'm here giving you the tools and resources to help you reach your highest potential, and I hope you all are doing well. So when it comes to journaling, it is a great tool for self-discovery. Really, everything begins with self-awareness. If you don't know what kind of mistakes you tend to make, you cannot get rid of them, nor even reduce them. Also, if you are unaware of your personality traits, it will be a real struggle for you to find a strategy which is the best for you. Therefore, it is essential to stay focused and try to find out what are your flaws, but also what are your strengths. And if you finally start with journaling, it may reveal to you what is inside of you. If you'd like to become a consistently profitable trader, it literally requires an extensive trading journal that you can review at the end of each week or month. The journal should include not only the trades you took, but also the research-based rationale for the trades, such as your profit target or your stop loss. You should write it all down to find out all connections between your decisions, between your outcomes and emotions. The majority of professional traders have a trading journal, as trading is all about getting better, improving ourselves. And let's be honest, we won't remember details of every single trade if we don't write down our notes. Find a way of journaling that is comfortable for you. Maybe you're not really a writer, then you can still journal everything as an audio record. You can record your thoughts, you can record how you felt, how you feel, and why you decided to use this or that strategy this time, and what was the outcome. Try to write down or record everything before and after every single trade. Why did you enter? How did you feel when it went up or down, and when you got out of that? Journaling can help you reduce your self-sabotage. For example, when you set some rules and still break them. Why don't you dedicate the first page of your journal to writing down all the rules you want to stick with? Journaling may help you to protect yourself from yourself, to become better, discipline yourself. Trading is all about preparation, about being ready and sure what you are going to do. Because as you will find out, if you're not prepared, if you're not sticking with the rules you once set, you'll hardly be profitable consistently. And yes, of course, it may happen that you'll have a profitable trade even though you actually break your rules. But trust me, that is not a perfect scenario. You could start to believe that you can be profitable even though you are breaking your own rules. And you could end up really badly. Like, you could blow up your account with this mindset. So, stick with your plans. Don't break your own rules. Find a strategy which works for you the best and keep journaling. Write down all your thoughts or record them, and then maybe at the end of the week or at the end of the month, go through that. Read it or listen to that, and you will see these connections between your emotions and traits. Thanks to journaling, you can find out what has been stopping you from your highest performance. You'll find out why you overtrade or what is your motivation to behave in the way you do. You just have to be consistent and really write it all down. Write a short note about how you feel before your trading session. Then, when you are done, write down what happened and how it made your emotions change. Journaling is one of the best tools to become mindful of our traits, to get to know ourselves better, to find out our strengths and weaknesses. And if you take trading seriously, you should take journaling in the same way. Have you been journaling your traits? Have you found it helpful? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't done yet, hit the like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow FTMO on all social media. But in the meantime, I will catch you all later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!